Creating a custom GPT is a powerful way to enhance your productivity and save time. Having a personalized GPT allows you to automate repetitive tasks, provide tailored responses, and maintain a consistent interaction style. Whether you need it for customer service, personal productivity, or creative projects, a custom GPT agent can adapt to your specific needs, remember your settings, and simplify your tasks. How to create your own GPT agent, you ask? This tutorial will walk you through the process of setting up your own GPT agent quickly and effectively. To create a custom GPT agent, log into your ChatGPT account. On the left side, click on Explore GPTs, then select Create on the right side. This action will direct you to the Custom GPTs overview page, where you can start crafting your agent using the GPT Builder. It will guide you through a series of questions designed to help you create an agent that fits your requirements. You will provide inputs about how you want the agent to function and what tone it should use. Specify clear and simple guidelines for how your agent should respond to users. These instructions will shape the responses and ensure the agent behaves as expected in various scenarios. Also, set the tone and style of your agent's interactions. Depending on your needs, you can choose a formal, casual, humorous, or serious personality. This customization helps the agent match the intended user experience and communication style. Once you're happy with your initial prompts, move to the Configure tab. If you prefer not to use a profile picture generated by the GPT Builder, you can upload your own. Here, you can refine the instructions further and provide conversation starters to make interactions more engaging. On the right side of the configuration page, you can test your GPT agent to ensure it works as desired. Interact with it directly to see if it responds according to your settings and instructions. If necessary, make adjustments until you are satisfied with its performance. And finally, click Create and decide the visibility of your GPT. You can choose to keep it private for your own use, share it with specific individuals via a link, or make it accessible to everyone. And that's it. Your GPT agent is now ready to use. It can handle tasks, answer questions, or provide responses tailored to your specific requirements, all based on the settings and instructions you provided. For more advanced tutorials and tips on AI, be sure to check out our Hero page. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow our channel for more AI insights.